Hello, I am installing a universal head unit on a Kobalt 80 volt weed eater. None of these worked would come with the kit. You need a nut size of M10-1.25. These are the tools needed. The price was $18.98.
Okay, this is
plus
the first
tax.
startup with a new head on it. Let's see how it does. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, so bear with me. There you go. That is a universal head. I just put it on, bought it from Walmart. It cost $19 and some odd cents with tax, a little over 20 with tax. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.